Welcome once again. Let's talk about Let's talk about Solana. Solana is already hitting rise, almost 15% rise in the past 7 days and almost 7% rise in the past 24 hours. Solana have actually increased from $16 price to over $20 price. Now, can Solana hit over $250 price? Remember, the Solana actually hit $260 before, but can this coin reach $250 again? If we decide to buy this coin, can this coin take us back to where it was trading at $250? Remember, it was almost within the period of 1 year, 2 months, that Solana was able to drop all the way from $260 down to almost $10-12. Now, can this coin rise back to $250? Right now, it has already hit 15% rise in the past 7 days and almost 7% rise in the past 24 hours. The truth is, yes, 100% possible for Solana to hit $250. But another thing to understand is Solana is definitely going to reach that level, but it's not something that will be happening within this week, this month, or even the next 3 months. It's gradually, but returning back to where it started falling, that one is definitely possible. There are people that bought this coin at $250 when it was trading at $250. So right now, these people's mind is not even making high profit right now. All they want to see is let them recover their investment. Okay, let them see Solana hit back at $250. Imagine someone that bought me 4 coins at $1,000. Now their money is just about $80. Imagine the kind of money that must have gone. So right now they want to see Solana even hitting $150. Let them recover some of your investment. Why people that must have invested on Solana right now are still trading $20 per coin. If Solana hit $250, you can imagine such amount of profit. Imagine having $1,000. That is going to give you return a lot of money. So that is why the people always say invest in crypto industry when they are trading low and then cash out when they are trading high. But Solana, yes, there is a possibility for $250 price in the future. I believe before 2025. If Solana can drop from that level it is in a year and 2 months, they can also rise to that level in a year and 2 months. It's all 50-50. All they need now is for crypto industry to bounce back, start pumping, start rising. Then you see so many coins join, especially the Bitcoin. I still believe Solana can definitely reach $250 once again. Once again, thank you for stopping by.